Fruit 3D object making videos are blowing up across social media right now, and the best part is that you can create them with AI in just a few minutes. The process is actually much easier than it looks, and if you get into this niche early, you have a real chance to stand out before it becomes overcrowded. So let me show you exactly how to create these videos for free. First, check the description and open the detailed prompt I've prepared for you. Copy the complete prompt from beginning to end without leaving anything out. Next, open Google Flow and select the video generation option. Go to the ingredients section and choose a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. Then select OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to 10 seconds. Now paste the entire prompt into the prompt box. Here comes the important part. At the beginning of the prompt, you'll find a section where you can enter your fruit. Simply type the fruit you want to use. For example, an apple, orange, watermelon, or strawberry. Then find the object section and enter whatever object you want to create from that fruit. It could be a camera, sneaker, sports car, phone, or literally any creative object you can imagine. And if you already have a picture of the object you want, you can simply upload that image as a reference instead. Once your fruit and object are selected, hit Generate. Google Flow will then turn your idea into a satisfying 3D fruit object making video in just a few seconds. And that's it. You can experiment with different fruits and objects to create endless variations and find the combinations that perform best. So if you want the exact prompt I used, check the description, copy it, and start creating your own videos today. And don't forget to subscribe for more viral AI video ideas and tutorials.